Camera's rolling. Quiet on set, please. Quiet on set, please. That means you with the face and the dog. Oh, you jumped off the bed and started barking as soon as I said quiet on set. Sir. Excuse me, sir. What's up, Gyms? Jillian here from Gym Naturals, and I just had to pop on here and give you guys an update about the channel. Now, first, before I dive into things, I just wanted to say welcome to all the new people here. Now, if you guys have come here from my last video that discussed not being able to use melanin hair care, I do want to let you know that that was actually the season finale of the first season. So there are 7 other episodes that you can check out, and I would love it if you checked it out. Also, if you came from the video about me not being able to use melanin hair care and you are interested in my journey with finding out why I couldn't use it and how I overcame my PCOS, most of that content is most likely going to be over on The Struggle Vegan. That is my second channel where I'm probably going to be sharing recipes and just talking about the journey and all that good stuff. So if you are also interested in that, I would highly recommend that you check out The Struggle Vegan. So on this channel, we're gonna have a plethora of different things, but they will be divided up in playlists so you guys will know the difference. But on the bulk of things is going to be my story-based content. I'm also going to be doing things like doing the Q&A, where you guys could just hop over to my Instagram and DM me a question and I will answer it for you on the channel. Now, as some of you know, I have experience as a professional actress. I am also a video editor. I have jumped in front of the camera, behind the camera, in post, all of this stuff. So if you guys have questions about that, we can always chop it up. It does not need to be about hair. So those are gonna be some of the different things that go on this channel. So we're gonna have story-based content. We're gonna have weekly questions, Q&As, and also some story times, because I have some stories about dealing with Hollywood and my hair, but I will have some consistent things that you guys can check up on throughout the season while I'm working on season 2. So to get into it, the burning question is about season 2. And season 2 is happening. I do have some incredible people that are working with me. We're going to be putting season 2 together. And the other burning question that everyone seems to want to know is if Riley took the job in California. And the answer to that is, you gotta wait for season 2. We'll talk about it all in season 2, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a lot of goofy silliness per usual, but I just wanna make it very clear that we are going to be doing story-based content. I'm gonna have another playlist that has my Q&A, so there's gonna be something for everybody. So it'll be wonderful to have like an actual team this time and not just me working like a crazy woman trying to get everything done. I would highly recommend against doing that because it drove me nuts. Drove me nuts. I'm still standing, but it drove me nuts. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up, just let you know what's going on. Welcome all my new subscribers. Hello again to all my OGs. And I am looking forward to season 2. Also, let me know if you guys want to see some behind the scenes stuff with season 2. I think since I'm going to be having a lot of help this time, I can actually document it because I'm not going to be trying to do 5,000 things at once. So comment down below. Let me know if you guys want to see some behind the scenes stuff, and we can do that for you as well. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful. Peace. Started barking as soon as I said quiet on set. Sir! Excuse me, sir? Sir! This is Desi, the cutest little Malshi puppy in the world. Desi, baby. Anyway. Hey, Desi. I love that guy.